another BTS drawing. So hello guys, I'm Robert and welcome back to another one. So in today's video guys, I'm gonna be drawing Kim Taehyung or whatever his name is. Sorry if I mispronounce his name. So another BTS member. He also known as by the name V. Most of them know him as V. But yeah, so I'm gonna be drawing him today. So if you are new to my channel, so please subscribe to my channel, leave a like and leave a comment down below, some suggestion on what you want me to draw next. And yeah, congratulations to the winner. I did a giveaway like few weeks ago. I drew Jungkook and I give away that artwork. So yeah, in today's video also I'm gonna be doing this giveaway. I'm gonna be giving away this original artwork. If you wanna win it, I mean for the BTS fans, for those who are not BTS fan, yeah, you can just ignore it. For you who like BTS a lot, I like most of the girls like BTS. So if you want this artwork, make sure you stay tuned to the video, watch till the end, and you will find out how to enter to win this artwork. So yeah, without any further ado, let's just jump straight into the video guys. Pow!
If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. We could be taking control. 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 If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. If we try to believe in anything greater than a miracle, it wouldn't be this difficult. If we try to be a negative bull, yeah, we could be taking control, yeah. We could be taking control. We could be taking control. We could be taking control. We could be taking control.
yeah, guys, the artwork is done. So here it is. Sorry for the light. Yeah. So yes, I will be giving away this artwork. The thing you need to do is, just like in the previous video, share this artwork to your Instagram story. The first one to do it will win it. Alright, that's fair. So make sure you do that, and yeah, I will see you in the next video, guys. Thank you for your support, and I really appreciate it.